Number 1. Cell is to organism as brick is to A. Wall, B. House, C. Foundation, D. Ciment, A. Door. The answer is B. House. Explanation. A cell is a basic building block of an organism, just as a brick is a fundamental component of a house. The analogy underscores the role of cells and bricks as foundational units. Number 2. Pen is to ink as computer is to A. Keyboard, B. Mouse, C. Software, D. Monitor, E. Data. The answer is C. Software. Explanation. The relationship between a pen and ink is similar to a computer and software. Ink is necessary for the functioning of a pen, and software is essential for the operation of a computer. Number 3. Book is to author as film is to A. Director, B. Actor, C. Script, D. Producer, E. Audience. The answer is A. Director. Explanation. An author writes a book, just as a director oversees the creation of a film. The analogy highlights the creative leadership role in the production of written works and movies. Number 4. Sun is to solar system as heart is to A. Body, B. Blood, C. Circulatory system, D. Organ, E. Pulse. The answer is C. Circulatory system. Explanation. The sun is at the center of the solar system, much like the heart is a central organ in the circulatory system. The analogy emphasizes the centrality and vital role of these entities. Number 5. Key is to lock as hammer is to A. Nail, B. Wood, C. Screwdriver, D. Toolbox, E. Construction. The answer is A. Nail. Explanation. A key is used to open a lock, just as a hammer is used to drive a nail. The analogy highlights the functional relationship between these tool pairs. Number 6. Map is to directions as code is to A. Encryption, B. Programming, C. Language, D. Algorithm, E. Software. The answer is D. Algorithm. Explanation. A map provides directions, much like code provides algorithms. The analogy emphasizes the structured set of instructions that guide navigation and computer processes. Number 7. Flower is to petal as fruit is to A. Seed, B. Peel, C. Stem, D. Pulp, E. Blossom. The answer is B. Peel. Explanation. Petals are part of a flower, just as the peel is part of a fruit. The analogy highlights the protective outer layer of both flowers and fruits. Number 8. Brain is to neuron as computer is to A. Software, B. Hardware, C. Code, D. Monitor, E. Keyboard. The answer is B. Hardware. Explanation. Neurons are the basic units of the brain, similar to how hardware constitutes the essential components of a computer. The analogy underscores the foundational physical elements. Number 9. Eye is to vision as EAR is to A. Sound, B. Hearing, C. Balance, D. Canal, E. Noise. The answer is B. Hearing. Explanation. The eye is associated with vision, just as the ear is associated with hearing. The analogy emphasizes the sensory functions of these paired organs. Number 10. Clock is to time as thermometer is to A. Temperature, B. Humidity, C. Pressure, D. Speed, E. Weather. The answer is A. Temperature. Explanation. A clock measures time, similar to how a thermometer measures temperature. The analogy highlights the specific parameter being measured by each instrument. We hope you learned something from our latest civil service exam drill. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. And don't forget to leave your comments and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.